Hey guys, showing you this Joywise Bluetooth headphones. These are wireless earbuds IPX8, waterproof Bluetooth 5.3 headphones with 16 hours play time. So this have a stereo bass headset with a mic, running headphones with the ear hooks for sports running workout. So you can see the manual comes in a really carry box. Good, you can just store it here. This also comes with that carabiner on for the box, so you can just put it on your belt. So these are the extra things or the accessories I will show you with the clicks and the cup. So USB-C charging, you can charge these headphones through this USB-C port in the corner. There is a volume up and down button, so you can see the indicator for the charging, so it's pretty good. And then I'm just connecting it to the Bluetooth, just untangling this wire so I can just show you everything here. So these are the waterproof, so good for the sports. So long press this button, you can see the indicator here. Just take out the charging so I can show you. So you can see the indicator here. So it in the search mode, Bluetooth searching mode, and I'm just standing on my phone. You can see is U18 here. Click on it, it will get connected. So straightforward process, no issues. And volume up and down button, so you can do. And this accessory kit, as I mentioned, it have that the clip or the other things to use it, and there are the extra earbuds for the different size ears. So it's comfortable fit over the ear, and this for the sports, so it will not fall when you are using this cable. The sound is good based on the price, like it's good, and yep, if it is comfortable as well.